So in the recent budget speech, we finally saw some changes that actually benefit the taxpayers. First, tax brackets have been adjusted in line with inflation. That means if your salary increases, you're less likely to get pushed into a higher tax bracket. Secondly, capital gains tax has had an annual exclusion increase from 40,000 to 50,000. That's big. It means more of your investment growth can be realized each year tax free. And business owners, this opens up significant tax planning opportunities. And then lastly, the primary residence exclusion increased from 2 million to 3 million rand. That means if you sell your home, more of that profit can be completely tax free. These are not small tweaks, these are planning opportunities. But here's the question: are your finances aligned to actually benefit from these changes? If you haven't reviewed your structure, your investments, or your tax efficiency, now is the time.